and welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click that thumbnail. Well, I'm back at it again. I saw yet another Z Gallerie wall art that I'd love to have in my home. I'm using this Every Grain of Sand as inspiration for my next art piece. So let's get started. This leftover wooden remnant was from the tile top table that I had cut at Lowe's. It was the perfect size and scale for this project. I started with this leftover Krylon paint that I'm using as a base. I painted 2 coats for each wooden slab. Once dry, I took masking tape and placed it randomly to create an abstract design. Hey there! Like what you see so far? Then hit that like button, share this video, and if you're not already part of my YouTube family, subscribe. I'd love to have you. I purchased this wallboard joint compound from Lowe's, and I'm going to use it to spread evenly over the design I just created. I did this technique because I wanted some texture instead of just plain white paint. I'm now lightly smoothing over each area that I applied the wallboard joint compound. And now for the fun part. While the joint compound is still wet, you want to carefully pull off the masking tape that you applied earlier. Make sure you remember how you placed each piece of the masking tape so that you don't run into issues as I'm running into right now. I was able to correct those issues off camera just by using a wet paper towel and just wiping since the joint compound was still wet. And here's the first artwork. I'm waiting for it to dry. I had this polystyrene lattice molding left over from another project, and I decided to use it as a frame around the art. Off camera, I used my miter saw so that I could get mitered edges on each of the corners. And here's the final look. I'm really super pleased with how this turned out. It really brightened the space and it gave me the look that I was going for. And while this Z Gallerie piece was used simply as inspiration and not to duplicate, I still saved a lot of money by making it myself. I know I promised you guys part 2 of my deck refresh makeover for the 2023 summer season. However, the weather in my area has not been cooperating, so I've had to postpone some outdoor projects. Just know that it will be uploaded soon, and I thank you so much for your patience. Until the next video, thanks for watching.